Assalamualaikum everyone. We are from Group 1. We will be presenting about the open-ended lab regarding on the application and uses of geotechnical testing in road construction engineering. So before we go further, we will introduce to you our group members. Okay, my name is Nusharika binti Hasan and my metric number is AF18007.
My name is Siti Noraini binti Abu Basar. My metric number is AF180048.
My name is Aidil Akmal bin Zainul Kamarul Ari. My metric number is GF190159.
My name is Muhammad Azmi Bihamdan. My metric number is DF190119.
Name is Haja Fatia binti Johari. My metric number is AF180022.
We'll go on to the introduction of this open-ended, which is the purpose of geotechnical engineering in road construction engineering. But before that, geotechnical engineering is actually the study of geological material properties on a construction site are important to allow design and construction of stable structure that do not settle, deform or crack. And soils from the structural foundation for almost all construction work, making soil testing very important as failure to test soil adequately and correctly will introduce high level of financial and safety risks. Next is this product have a wide range of application and currently used in many civil and geotechnical engineering applications, including roads, railroads, embankment, pile embankment, retaining structure, and so on. So next.
Next is the application of geotechnical testing in road construction engineering. There are several types of testing. First, dry sieve analysis testing, consolidation testing, falling head permeability, number of standard penetration tests (SPT), number of field vein shear tests, number of distributed and undistributed soil sample, number of undistributed rock sample, groundwater sampling. This experiment need to be performed to determine whether the construction site land is suitable for road construction or not.
Okay, I will explain you about the uses of geotechnical testing in road construction engineering. So basically, when we want to build a road, so we have to analyze either the soil, either the place which is suitable or not. So firstly, we have to analyze the quality of soil. Either it's good, what are characteristic, what are the phase that we have to come out if the soil cannot which is not suitable. So how to solve that problem? So that's why we have to geotechnical testing of that soil. So second is to find out the strength of the subgrade. So if the situation that the soil is not in the good strength, so what are the material of the tar or asphalt that we have to use for the road? And lastly is to determine the compaction characteristic of various soil, which is when we want to build the road, we have to know which vehicle, either the vehicle is a lorry or bus. So we have to know what are the material that's suitable and test that load for the method that we being used to construction of the road. So next.
Okay, I will continue from Noraini. Okay. Next is the uses of geotechnical testing in road construction engineering is to determine the moisture content present in the soil. Moisture content measurement is mainly used to perform weight volume calculation in soils. Also, moisture content is a measure of the shrink swell and strength characteristic of calcium soil, which is important in the road construction engineering. Next is to determine nature of the soil, or the other name is soil quality. Soil quality is how well soil does what we want it to do. As an example, in order to grow our crop, we want the soil to hold water and nutrient like sponge. But in this case, if we want to build a road or road construction, we want the soil to have a low permeability of soil value.
So I can conclude of the uses of geotechnical testing is we can use the type of testing that have Hazmi said. So to go in deep our road construction. So next.
So in the conclusion, sometimes we need to remove organic matter and replace it with an inorganic substitute that is more stable, like gravel. Once the unsuitable soil is replaced with load-bearing soil, the foundation can be built. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum.